Hello YouTube fans. Today we're about to give you a good announcement. Not today, but another time we're about to release one of our videos called Revenge is Hell. And this movie is about to come out soon. Today I'm just gonna introduce you to the characters. This time we're not fucking around. Last time we kept on promising you what videos we're gonna be making, but so sorry. That was my fault. But this time, this one's about to come soon. So stay tuned for that one. Promise. I will promise you this will come out. Now, meet our characters. This is the character that dies. He makes the deal with the mafia, meaning me. And he didn't have enough money, so I sent my gangs, which are in here right now, go kill this dude. Now this character, go. Now this character, he's the hero. He's the one that goes avenge his death. Meaning he kills all the fucking people that just with him. So, yeah, he's the good guy. Now back to me. Now remember, stay tuned, stay pretty, and enjoy this video. And cut.